warm and admired relationship, Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor have now decided to part their ways. The couple has been a frequent topic of discussion in the Bollywood industry, consistently showcasing their love and commitment despite of enduring relentless trolling and criticism on the social media. Reports now claim that Malaika and Arjun now intend to handle the breakup with utmost dignity, and in fact one of the sources made this comment that Malaika and Arjun had a very special relationship and both of them will continue to hold a special place in each other's hearts. They have chosen to part their ways and will maintain a dignified silence in this matter. They will not allow anyone to drag and dissect their relationship. The source further commented that they had a long, loving, fruitful relationship that has unfortunately run its course. That does not mean that there is any bad blood between them. They respect each other hugely and have been pillars of strength for each other. Over the years, they have given their relationship a lot of respect. They will continue to give each other the same respect despite deciding to part their ways. Both of them were in a very serious relationship for years, and they expect people to be gracious enough to give them space at this emotional time. So that was the statement that came in from a source close to both the actors. Rumors of Arjun and Malaika's relationship, remember, first surfaced back in 2018 after they were seen together at a fashion show. Speculation continued until Malaika's 45th birthday, when they actually officially confirmed their union on social media. Following their announcement, they began spending time with each other's families as well, further solidifying their bond as well as the speculations against them. Arjun also openly discussed their relationship during his appearance on Coffee with Karan, expressing his intentions to take their relationship to the next level. Arjun, in the past, has made it very clear that he prefers not to comment on his relationship with Malaika Arora without her input. He emphasized that he would only discuss their relationship publicly if Malaika also addresses it openly. Arjun expressed his belief that it would be unfair for him to discuss the current status or future of their relationship alone in the public domain. Now, since according to the sources, the couple has parted their way, what are your thoughts about their relationship? Let us know in the comment section below.